To avoid wasting large plastic buckets, I used a hole punch to grow cucumbers at home. I use a 1.5-liter perforated bottle to store water and throw away kitchen waste. I took a piece of wire and attached it to the bottle to make a watering line for the plants. To make the soil loose, I mixed rice husks with the soil to grow cucumbers. Before pouring the soil in, I spread a layer of rice husks at the bottom of the bucket and covered it with soil to make the soil looser and more airy. Now I will plant the sapling in the bucket. After planting, I will put kitchen waste in the bottle. When the waste decomposes, it will release water into organic fertilizer. The fertilizer will flow through small holes into the soil, and the plants will absorb the organic fertilizer to grow. Now, I will put water in the bottle. The water will flow through the wire and water the plant. Avoid pouring water directly. The plant will easily get flooded. Now that the tree is starting to take root, I put a layer of soil in the gusta, help keep the tree standing more firmly. I continued to put kitchen waste into compost. To keep the plant at a certain humidity level, I will pour water into the bottle. At this stage, the tree is growing. To avoid the situation where the tree has no place to climb, I will use bamboo sticks to make a trellis for the tree to climb. At this stage, the plant starts to flower and fruit. If I want more fruit, I use male flowers to pollinate female flowers. This will help fruit set better. To provide nutrients for the plants, I mix liquid fertilizer with water to water the plants. Liquid fertilizer is taken from sea fish soaked for a long time, so it is very nutritious. I used a zip tie to tie the climbing plant to the trellis to help it climb up the trellis. It's amazing that after only 50 days, I can grow a cucumber trellis with such good fruit. Now I will pick them and enjoy them.
Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day.